my bike check and my giant STP. I have the ODI long neck grips, Avid brake lever, Ram X4 shifter, Eastern brake cable, the Jaguar shifter cable, giant bars, giant stem, the Cane Creek integrated headset. Then I have the Marzocchi Bomber Dirt Jumper 3s, stock giant front wheels, stock front tire, the giant STP frame, size 15, the littler, the Eastern inner seat, giant seat post, giant seat post clamp, Hustle Felt cranks, and the Hustle Felt crank chain guard, the Hamilton piece and pedals, stock chain. I have a Ram X4 shifter, stock back wheel, and these two Sun Rhino light rims in the front and the back. And I have the Hayes brake here, and a stock Honda back tire. And that's it.